We are going to tailgate before a concert tonight, and I need to bring pasta salad for a crowd. So I made my go-to pasta salad recipe. You can use any kind of pasta. I used orzo today, and it's full of a bunch of fresh vegetables and zucchini and feta and herbs. So tasty, and it feeds a crowd. This is only half of it. So let me show you how I did it. So good.
First, I chopped 2 zucchini and a red onion and sauteed them in olive oil with some salt and pepper. While the veggies were cooking, I boiled 2 cups of orzo. Then in a separate bowl, I chopped up 3 Persian cucumbers, a big handful of cherry tomatoes, and I threw in some of these mini peppadew peppers just because I had them. Aren't they cute? When the pasta was cooked, I rinsed it under cold water and then tossed together the orzo with the fresh vegetables and the cooked onions and zucchini. Add as much crumbled feta as you like, and then toss the whole mixture with your favorite homemade or store-bought Italian dressing. You can serve this pasta salad cold or at room temperature, and it'll keep in the fridge for up to a week. It makes a ton, so you can have the recipe if you're not feeding a crowd.